Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Everyone, welcome to today's session. Dear children, now you can see at the background, you can see some faces or some masks, right? So when it is used, as you know, when we do any play or any drama, then such type of mask we put on and we say dialogues after putting this mask, right? Now, in standard 6, in standard 7, you have learned about some different types of dramas and plays and skits. Do you remember one skit you have learned in standard 6? An invisible bench? Wasn't it very funny? And I hope, I'm very sure about it, that you all must have enjoyed that skit. So in today's session of standard 8 English, we are going to learn, read, and afterwards you are going to dramatize it, a skit. Okay? So what is the title of that skit? Excuses. What is our today's topic? Excuses. And that is a skit. Now what is a skit? I'll explain you the meaning of this word. So what is a skit? A skit means a short comedy sketch or piece of humorous writing, especially a parody. What is a skit? A short comedy sketch or piece of humorous writing, especially a parody. Humorous, मजेशीर, विनोदी, गमतीशीर. एखादी छोटीशी अशी नाटिका किंवा नाटुकली की जी विनोदाच्या अंगाकडे वळते किंवा विनोदी आहे आणि ती विडंबनात्मक आहे. विडंबन एखाद्याची एखादी चूक ही गमतीशीर पद्धतीने त्याला राग न येईल अशा पद्धतीने दाखवून देणं त्याला विडंबन किंवा प्रहसन किंवा पॅरडी असं आपण म्हणतो. इन मराठी we will see what it is. A skit means, if you take the literal meaning of this word, लबाडी और फसवण्यासाठी केलेली युक्ती किंवा विडंबनात्मक लेख किंवा छोटी प्रहसन. ओके, म्हणजे स्किट या शब्दाचा अर्थ तुम्ही जाणून घ्या. असं एक छोटंसं नाटुकलं किंवा नाटिका. आपण शाळेत बघा खूप आपल्या कार्यक्रमांमध्ये अशा छोट्या छोट्या नाटुकला करतो आणि त्याला एक काहीतरी विषय घेतो आपण. कधी निसर्गावर आधारित असतं, कधी समाजातला एखादा प्रश्न असतो. तसंच आज एक असं नाटुकलं आपण बघणार आहोत. नाटुकलं मी म्हणते कारण हे छोटंच आहे आणि त्याला स्किट असं म्हटलं जातं. याच्यामध्ये काही कॅरेक्टर्स असतात आणि ते आपण ड्रामाटाइज करतो. ओके, सो लेट्स सी व्हॉट इज today's skit, and the title, as I've already told you, excuses. Excuses म्हणजे काय? कारण सांगणं. ओके, आपण म्हणतो ना मला एक्सक्यूज नको देऊ. So who gives excuses to whom and why, that we are going to see from this skit. So here there are two characters. One is Ritesh, a school student, and the another one is Mrs. Sen, his class teacher. So only two characters are there in this skit. Ritesh, a school going child or a school student, and his class teacher, and her name is Mrs. Sen. And so here is a plot of a classroom. Okay, this skit takes place in a classroom. which is situation classroom मध्ये आहे. So let's begin with the skit. Now before beginning with the skit, I'll explain you one thing, that somewhere in a skit I have used this bubble. It is called speech bubble or thought bubble. तुम्हाला मी कुठेतरी अशा प्रकारचा एक बबल वापरलेला दिसेल. जिथे तुम्हाला हा बबल दिसेल तिथे तुम्ही हे लक्षात घ्यायचं की हे विचार त्या कॅरेक्टरच्या डोक्यात चाललेले आहेत. ओके, इट इज नॉट ऍक्च्युअली द थिंग इज टेकिंग प्लेस, पण त्याला असं वाटतंय किंवा त्याला असं वाटायला पाहिजे की हे असं घडतंय किंवा असं घडायला पाहिजे. ओके, सो इट इज अ थॉट बबल. As a thought bubble, I have used this sign. Okay, is it clear? Now we will begin with the skit. So the first scene, Ritesh enters in the class, and before entering, as you ask, he is asking his teacher, "May I come in, madam?" Now, don't you think you are early? What is Mrs. Sen's reply when he asks permission to come inside? The class is going on. "May I come in, madam?" Now, don't you think you are early? Mrs. Sen, how does she react? आत्ता येतोस? तुला असं वाटत नाही की तू खूप लवकर आलायस? Now, don't you think you are early? She is surprised. What my madam is telling me? Am I early? So he asked her, "Pardon, ma'am?" He is surprised. काय म्हणतात टीचर, मी लवकर आलो? So he asked her to repeat her sentence. Pardon, ma'am? So what does she say? I mean for the second period. You are too early for the second period. So here Mrs. Sen clears what she wants to tell to Ritesh. त्या असं म्हणतात, मला असं म्हणायचंय की दुसरा पिरियड आता चालू आहे आणि दुसऱ्या पिरियड साठी तर तू लवकरच आलायस, राईट? सो नाउ यू कॅन सी हाऊ कॉमेडी दिस skit is. Okay, now after that what happens? Ritesh realizes it that he has committed a mistake, and Mrs. Sen is not happy with his late coming. See, in your class also there are some children who always comes late for the school, and when teacher asks them why are they late, then they give them 1001 reasons. So Ritesh is one among them. What does he says? "I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm really sorry. I started well in time from home. You won't believe what happened." What Ritesh says? "I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm really sorry. I started well in time from home. You won't believe what happened." He's first of all, he's apologized for coming late. But then he started giving excuses, reasons for his late arrival. Now what does he says? "You won't believe what happened." तुमचा विश्वास नाही बसणार, मी घरून तर वेळेवर निघालेलो, पण त्याच्यानंतर काय झालं मॅडम माहिती आहे का? Now Mrs. Sen, his class teacher, is used to. What does she says? We will see. Let's hear the story first. What happened? "Nothing short of an earthquake, I'm sure." What does Mrs. Sen? We'll see. Okay, come on. Let's hear the story first. What happened? "Nothing short of an earthquake, I'm sure." Mrs. Sen was used to listening his so many reasons for coming late every day. So she is ready for that. She says, "Okay, let's hear the story first. What happened? I hope there was nothing short of an earthquake. I'm sure." Nothing short of means nothing less than an earthquake. I'm sure. मिसेस सेनना या सगळ्याची खूप सवय झालेली. त्या म्हणतात, ठीक आहे चला तुझी आणखीन एक गोष्ट ऐकूया, पण मला खात्री आहे की कुठेतरी भूकंप वगैरे झाला नसेलच. After listening this, even Ritesh continued with his excuse. He said, "No ma'am, really ma'am, honestly ma'am." तुम्ही म्हणता ना शपथ मॅडम, शपथ शपथ, तसं तो म्हणतो. "No ma'am, really ma'am, honestly ma'am." Then how does she react? Go ahead, go ahead. Come on. Whatever excuses you want to tell, come on. We all are ready to listen to you. Myself, your friends, all are ready to listen to you. Come on, go ahead. सांग सांग, नंतर काय झालं? Now here, Ritesh begins with his story. I was walking to school as usual. I was halfway down the narrow lane that leads to the market. Suddenly, I heard a scream from the main road. He starts with his story. He says, "Ma'am, on the right time I left from my home, but as I was walking to school as usual, I was halfway down the narrow lane that leads to the market. Suddenly I heard a scream from the main road." नेहमीप्रमाणे मी शाळेत यायला निघालो. अर्ध्या रस्त्यात आलो आणि मला एक मोठा आवाज कानावर पडला. Now look at the Ritesh, listen to him, how he tells the excuses, he tells the reasons for his late arrival. Then what does Mrs. Sen say? She said, "Yeah, and of course you had to investigate. Yes, you are right. Suddenly you heard a scream from the main road and you have to investigate what was that." Investigate means to find out or to search the truth about some incidents. Okay, yes. तुझ्या कानावर मोठा आवाज पडला आणि ॲज युजल तुला शोधून काढायचं होतं ते काय आहे. And here, see, Ritesh imagination has begun. He says, "I was walking to school as usual. I was halfway down to the narrow lane that leads to the market. Suddenly I heard a scream from the main road." Screaming, you can see their sign. And then he says, "Yes, madam. I had to find out if someone needed help." When Mrs. Sen says, "Yes, and of course you had to investigate. You have to find it out what was the reason for that screaming." And he says, "Yes, madam. I had to find out if someone needed help." And sure enough, there was this person lying near the pavement. He was groaning with pain. He says, "Yes, madam, I am not lying. I had to find out who is screaming if someone needed help." And sure enough, there was this person lying near the pavement. Pavement means a footpath. And he was groaning with pain. He was shouting with pain. He was making painful sounds. "हो मॅडम, मी बघितलं रस्त्याच्या कडेला एक माणूस पडलेला आणि वेदनेने कळवळत होता." So, how was Mrs. Sen's reaction? She says, "Okay, so you took him to Dr. Jadhav, right? You took him to Dr. Jadhav. Okay, I see. So when you heard that someone was groaning with pain, you took that person to Dr. Jadhav, right?" They should give this excuse. There was this person lying near the pavement. He was groaning with pain. And then what does his class teacher says? "Okay, then you took him to Dr. Jadhav." Then what does Ritesh says? Then Ritesh says, "No, ma'am, I didn't get the chance. Just I reached that man, another man came running out of the shop there with a packet in his hand. And the shopkeeper also ran out shouting, 'Chor, chor, catch him!'" So now Ritesh is making the story, he is giving the excuses. He says, "No, ma'am, I did get chance to take that fellow to the doctor. Just I reached that man, another man came running out of the shop there with a packet in his hand. And the shopkeeper also ran out shouting, 'Chor, chor, chor, catch him!'" Then what does Mrs. Sen says? "Amazing! Quite a handful for you to deal with, and all at once. What did you do then?" Mrs. Sen was enjoying it. She says, "Amazing! Oh my God, it's so nice to hear this. Quite a handful for you to deal with." To deal with means to handle. So many things were there for you to handle with, right? One man was lying there, then another man came and he was a thief, and after that one more man came who was screaming, "Chor, chor, chor." So many incidents happened there and you have to deal with all at once. What did you do then? मॅडम म्हणाल्या, बापरे, केवढ्या साऱ्या गोष्टी तिकडे घडल्या आणि तुला ह्या सगळ्या टॅकल कराव्या लागल्या, पण तू काय केलंस? Ritesh didn't understand the meaning of Mrs. Sen. He said he was continuing his story. He said, "Yes, ma'am, but the most amazing thing happened then. The man near the pavement, he too got up and began to run with the thief. Without losing a moment, I ran after them." हो मॅडम, खरंच असं झालं. आणि त्या चोराच्या मागे तो जो माणूस पडलेला तो पण उठून धावायला लागला आणि मग मी पण अजिबात वेळ घालवला नाही, मी पण त्यांच्या मागे धावलो. Then Mrs. Sen helps him to continue with the story. She says, "And then you caught them and took them to the police station." Mrs. Sen helps him to continue with his story, with his imaginations. He says, "Yes, and then you caught them and took them to the police station." नंतर तू त्यांना पकडून पोलीस स्टेशनला घेऊन गेलास. But Ritesh says, "We couldn't do that, ma'am. They just vanish around the corner. All this happened so fast. Actually wanted to take them to the police station, but we couldn't do that. They just vanish around the corner. All this happened so fast." ऍक्च्युली आम्हाला त्यांना पोलीस स्टेशनला न्यायचं होतं, पण आम्ही काहीच करू नाही शकलो. कॉर्नर पर्यंत गेले आणि कुठे गायब झाले आम्हाला कळलंच नाही. इतकं पटकन झालं हे सगळं. And then Mrs. Sen asked him, "Then why are you so late? If these things happen so fast, then why are you so late for the school?" Now look at him. He has some more interesting part of the story. He says, "That's not all. I realized that I had left my bag at the shop in that mad crush. So I ran back to get it." हे काहीच नाही मॅम. मला नंतर आठवलं की ह्या सगळ्या गडबडीत मी माझी बॅग तर तिकडेच विसरून आलो. And then what was Mrs. Sen's reaction? She said, "And it wasn't there." So you left your bag at that shop in that mad rush, and when you went back there, your bag was not there, and it wasn't there. He has some more excuses. He says, "No, ma'am, it was there all right, but there was a huge, hairy, brown dog sitting on it. I didn't know what to do. No, ma'am, when I went there, my bag was there. But there was a huge, hairy, brown dog sitting on my bag. I didn't know what to do." You can see in the picture, he's telling his class teacher that when I went back to get my bag, there was a huge, hairy, brown dog sitting on my bag. I didn't know what to do. काय करावं मला कळेना. Now, Mrs. Sen is really enjoying his story. She says, "Interesting. A dog on a bag in a shop. That's found very interesting. I find it very interesting. A dog, that too on a bag in a shop." Then what does Ritesh says? Then what does Ritesh says? "Yes, ma'am. Even the shopkeeper was surprised. He didn't know where the dog had come from. How that dog growled. We tried all kinds of things to make it move. Whistling, clapping, and showing him the stick. But he couldn't budge. And I couldn't leave without my school bag." He says, "Yes, ma'am. Even that shopkeeper was surprised. Even he didn't know where this dog had come from. And how that dog growled." Growled means angrily he barked. He made that sound. We tried all kinds of things to make it move. Whistling, we whistle, we clap, and we showed him stick too. but he wouldn't budge. Budge means he wouldn't move. And I couldn't live without my school bag. आम्ही सगळे प्रकार करून बघितले त्या कुत्र्याला हकलवायला, पण तो असा काय गुरगुरत होता. आम्ही टाळ्या वाजवल्या, शिट्या वाजवल्या, काठी सुद्धा दाखवली, पण तो जरा पण हलला नाही तिथून. आणि माझी बॅग घेतल्याशिवाय मी कसा काय येणार? नाव ही हॅड सो मेनी रिझन्स फॉर हिज लेट अरायवल. बट मिसेस सेन सेज, but I see that you got your bag finally. When Ritesh says that I couldn't live without my school bag, but she says that I see that you got your bag finally. Then Ritesh is not going to stop with this. He's continued. He says, yes ma'am. Finally the shopkeeper gave me some biscuits. I offered the biscuit to the dog and lured him away from the bag. He says, yes ma'am, you are right. We tried so many things. We whistled, we clapped, we showed him the stick, but he didn't move. Then finally that shopkeeper had an idea. He gave me some biscuits. I offered the biscuit to the dog and lured him away from the bag. Lured means I tried to move him away from that bag. Okay. Then what did Mrs. Sen says? Okay. So let's say that accounts for 15 minutes. She says, okay, I can understand. So you have reported me what happened in those 15 minutes. Okay, so you were late. Now I can understand that why were you late for the school. But still, Ritesh's story has not finished. He continues with his story. He says, you can see here, Ritesh has something more to tell. He says, but there is more, ma'am. The poor dog began to follow me to school. It looks so poor and lonely and small. He continues with his story. He says, still it is not finished, ma'am. The poor dog began to follow me to school. As I gave him the biscuits, he began to follow me to school. It looked so poor and lonely and small. It was looking very lonely and small. Then Mrs. Sen asked, small? Did you say small? Because first of all he said huge dog. Now he is saying small. So Mrs. Sen asked him, small? Did you say small? Ritesh has to say something on that. He says, I mean young man. It was big in size, but it was only a puppy, really. And it looked lost. Maybe it was looking for its mother or owner. And I thought it was asking for my help. I realized that. So I began an inquiry with the other shopkeepers and passers-by. But nobody could tell and couldn't leave it behind. I mean, ma'am, it is young. It is not small, but it was young. It was only big in size, but it was a puppy, small. Really, ma'am. And it looked lost. Bichara haravlela. Maybe it was looking for its mother or owner. And I thought it was asking me for my help. मला असं वाटलं तो माझ्याकडून मदतीची अपेक्षा करतोय. So I began an inquiry with the other shopkeepers and passers-by. But nobody could tell and couldn't leave it behind. मी सगळ्यांकडे विचारला हा कोणाचा आहे का कुत्रा, कोणाचा आहे का, पण कोणीच मला मदत नाही करू शकलो. आणि त्याला एकट्याला सोडून पण मी कसं काय येणार? And then Mrs. Sen says, and then you found the owner. Who was it? Okay, so now you came to school, means you found the owner after that. Who was it? But what does Ritesh says? That's funny part, ma'am. The puppy itself found the owner. It saw someone across the road and just bounded toward the person. I was so relieved. Then I turn and I run straight to school. It is very funny, ma'am. Afterwards, what happened? The puppy itself found the owner. I was inquiring so many people about its owner, but puppy itself found the owner. It saw someone across the road and just bounded towards the person. It got its owner afterwards and it bounded towards that person, and then I was so relieved. And then I turn and run straight to the school. त्याचं काय झालं? त्यांनी पप्पीनी त्याचा स्वतःचा मालक शोधून काढला. रस्त्याच्या त्या बाजूला कोणाकडे तरी त्याने उडी घेतली आणि तो पळून गेला. मला एवढं बरं वाटलं आणि त्याच्यानंतर मी शाळेसाठी पळालो. Then I turned and run straight to school. Now, what does Mrs. Sen say? She's very funny. Good boy. Now that are your good deeds are done. There is something else you can do. There is a story writing competition coming up. Would you like to send an entry? What does Mrs. Sen ask him? Very good boy. Now that are your good deeds are done. तुला जे काही करायचं होतं सगळी चांगली कर्म तुझी करून झाली आहेत. There is something else you can do. आता अजून काहीतरी तू करू शकतोस. There is a story writing competition coming up. Would you like to send an entry? आपल्याकडे स्टोरी रायटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन आहे त्याच्यात तू भाग घेऊ इच्छितो का? Good boy. Now that are your good deeds are done, there is something else you can do. There is a story writing competition coming up. Would you like to send an entry? Now, how does Ritesh reacts? We'll see that. And Ritesh says, what ma'am? Me ma'am? Now, I wouldn't know what to write. I'm not at making up stories. And all the children laughs from his class. He says, what ma'am? Me? Me ma'am? Now, I wouldn't know what to write. I'm not at making up stories. Do you believe Ritesh answer? तो म्हणतो मी भाग घेऊ मला तर येत नाही बाबा स्टोरी लिहिता आणि मला अजिबात गोष्टी रचता येत नाहीत आणि त्याच्या या उत्तरावर सगळे हसतात. What ma'am? Me ma'am? Now I wouldn't know what to write. I'm not at making up stories. Read the last sentence again. I'm not at making up stories. मला अजिबात गोष्टी रचता येत नाहीत. Do you believe this? And so this is where the skit ends. Did you enjoy this? Right? So now we have read this skit. We have seen the dialogue part as well as the imagination part from that character. Now there are some activities which I hope you would like to do. So let's see some activities from this skit. There are some questions. Write the answer in your own words. Okay, you can answer in your own words. Let's read the first question. Were the excuses given by Ritesh for his late arrival true? Give reasons for your responses. Do you believe whatever reasons, whatever excuses given by Ritesh for his late arrival were true? If you don't agree with this, then you give reasons for your answer, for your responses. Then the second question is, did the teacher believe Ritesh's story? Mrs. Sen believe his story? How do you know that? टीचरना याच्या गोष्टीबद्दल खरं वाटलं का? विश्वास बसला का? आपल्याला माहिती नाही बसला. मग तो कसा नाही बसला हे लिहायचं. ओके? Then the next activity, next question is, why did the teacher suggest that Ritesh should enter the story writing contest? Why did the teacher suggest, why did the teacher feel that Ritesh is an ideal child to participate in that story writing contest? त्यांना का वाटतं की रितेशने याच्यात भाग घ्यावा किंवा तो त्याला सुयोग्य मुलगा आहे. You can write your reasons. And the next question is, what according to you is the best way to correct children who are regularly late to school? See, in our class also there are some children who regularly come late to the school. So what can you suggest so that they can come regularly in time to the school? See, some children are very punctual. They come in time, but some are there who never comes in time to school. So what according to you is the best way to correct them? So you can write those questions. You think on these questions and you try to write answers of this question in your own word. So afterwards you can rewatch this video and try to know what we have learned. एकदाच पाहून आपल्याला हे कळणार नाही. आता तुम्हाला पाहिल्यानंतर संपूर्ण व्हिडिओ एका वेगळ्या नजरेने तुम्ही पुन्हा तो पाहायचा आहे and you enjoy this. Okay? And try to write the answers of this question. So see you in next session with new thing. Till then, bye bye.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.